Hi everyone. Today's my recipe very delicious and tasty recipe. This is Sabudana khichdi. Take 4 tablespoons of moong dal, then soak for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add 2 cups of water, then cook. No, do not leave overcook. You take 1 small potato, wash and peel, then cut into small pieces and add 1 or 1.5 cup of water. Then we will cook the potato. Remove the foam from moong dal. Just cook it. No need soft cook. This is enough. Then remove from stove. Then add it, potato to leave the cook. Take 200 grams of sabudana and soak it. Big size sabudana I took here. We have half shell of fresh coconut and take a mixie jar, add 2 inch of ginger and 2 green chili, grind it, and grated coconut, curry leaves. Already everything is ready. Now take a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add tempering dals, cumin, mustard, green gram dal and urad dal. Once fried it, then add curry leaves and red chili, 1 or 2 red chili you can put it. This red chili and green chili only the spiciness. Add ground ginger and green chili. I am using this recipe for Ekadasi fasting. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 pinch of hing. Now add one nicely chopped tomato. Fry the tomato until soft. This is very good for fasting, either Ekadasi or any fasting. You can do this recipe. Once the tomato softened, then add sabudana, only soaked sabudana. Directly you can put it on the pan. Then mix well. Now add boiled potato and boiled moong dal. Mix well. Now add salt required. It will take time to 4 to 5 minutes to cook. Mix the salt to entire recipe. Then close and cook for 5 minutes. Before that, add 4 tablespoons of moong dal boiled water, that is moong dal starch. Then mix it. Then close and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. It will cook. Already we cooked potato and moong dal. Sabudana will take time to 3 to 4 minutes only. Now check it. It's cooked well. There is no water. It's absorbed the starch. Check it, very soft and looks like very delicious. Now add grated fresh coconut. Do not add coriander. for this recipe. It is not tasty that much. Then mix well. Cook 1 or 2 minutes only. Coconut should be raw only. Our dish is ready. No need side dish. No need any side dish. That is any chutney or pickle or anything. Directly you can take it. I added less spiciness. This is a fasting recipe. Along with this recipe, I am taking watermelon. 1 spoon sugar I added. That is, I like sugar. That's why I added. If you don't like, you can skip sugar. I am going to taste this. This is very very tasty dish. You can try and give a comment. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.